Hello, and welcome to the SD Racing YouTube channel. We appreciate you stopping by to check out what we do here at SD Racing, as well as the support you give us through subscribing to the channel, liking and sharing the projects that we share with you. Now, let's see what's on the dyno today. Alright, today on the dyno we have a full bolt-on 2019 STI. The modifications consist of a COBB Tuning Intake, front mount intercooler, and a stumble kit, as well as AEM 340 liter power fuel pump, IAG Performance AOS separator, Grimmspeed electronic boost control solenoid, and external wastegate up pipe with a Turbosmart external wastegate, and a 3-inch turbo back exhaust. We'll be tuning the car using the COBB Tuning V3 Accessport and setting the car up with 3 different boost profiles using the Subaru SI drive system. Well, as you can see, the car performed well despite the very wet and humid day here in South Carolina. On low boost, we made a best pass of 297 horse, 313 torque. Medium boost, we made a best of 304 horse, 345 torque. And on the high boost setting, we made 310 horsepower and 351 foot-pounds of torque. Thank you again for watching our dyno session today. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel for more dyno videos and content coming soon. If you'd like to see more, you can also check us out on Facebook and Instagram for daily project updates and what's happening around the shop. We look forward to seeing you again soon.